When you are renovating, but you're a plant mom and drywall stuff got all over your plants, even though the actual wall was closed. Look at this. Let me show you. I gotta wipe all these plants down. Every one of them is dusty, especially the one with all these leaves. Look at that. Like, dusty, dusty. Even the one on my desk, my computer was dusty. I gotta wipe them all down. As y'all know, plants breathe through their leaves. Look at my big baby. Look at this. They breathe through their leaves. So they will start to die if you leave them too dusty. So that's why a lot of people with a whole bunch of plants that can't control them when their house is dusty and they don't stay on their plants. Look, this is just from the day of it coming in here. Hold on. I hate those commercials. Yeah, so all of them, my ficus, bonds, look at that. All of them are dusty. So I'm getting ready to dust these and remove leaves that need to be removed. Like, they're really dusty. Look at this one. Look at this bad boy. Like, dust is all in there. Oh. See this one right here? See that? Just dusty. So I gotta dust all these. Then I still have some down here. That one is almost done. Getting ready to dust this one. Yeah, getting ready to dust this one. I gotta kind of move stuff from over here so I can get to that. But yeah, that one's almost done. This is just a quick little video of how my mornings go. Look at my baby looking all dusty. Ugh. Especially this Birkin. This Birkin is real dusty too. Look at that. Alright, so let me get to work and get my babies dusted off. And we're going to figure out another way to try to protect them even more. Probably put plastic over it during that time too. Because yeah, this is a lot of work. Because I have to go through every leaf to make sure they're dusted. So that's my morning today. And I will see you guys live at about 12 o'clock. Yeah, let's say about 12. 12:30. Make sure your notifications are on. That way you'll know exactly when I'm coming on. Later, gators. Oh, this one already been wiped down, so it's just sitting here. So yeah, doesn't it look pretty in here? Ugh. That thing is covering the vent. Gotta get this paint stuff up. I knocked that down yesterday when I was doing my live. But yeah, isn't that cart cute? That cart is really tall, like, for the price. I'm so excited. I was thinking about it being for plants, watering plants, and it's just too, I don't know, it's too narrow to repot plants. Then I was thinking about it going outside, being next to the grill. I don't know. For $2, it's very sturdy, and we're gonna figure it out. Good morning. Later, y'all.